All right, let's go get a log. Easy peasy. These two little pieces here, these came off of a recumbent trike that I had scrapped. So they don't fit perfectly, but that's how that works. And I have a little screw here where I can tighten this down, adjust it to that length there. So theoretically, I could probably carry a 10-foot log or beam and be able to haul it without it tipping backward. Oh, hello. So I had these two wheels kicking around there, 13-inch pneumatic wheels and tires that came from Harbor Freight. Little cotter pin, can easily remove the wheel. This is a 1/2-inch axle rod that I had solid. This is the 5/8-inch tubing that I slipped over it. And that fits into this guy here, which is 5/8. This is 1-inch steel tubing, thin wall. I cut it at about 16 inches, it looks like. Drilled a hole in here in my 1.5-inch steel. This is like an old curtain rod or whatever. Worked for me, drilled a hole for the cotter pin. This whole bar is approximately almost 5 feet long. These little guys, they're probably about 8 inches long each. These 1-inch square tubes here. Just welded them at a 45-degree angle, so made a nice saddle. So this is rigid. Log will sit here. This can actually slide back and forth, and when you get weight on there, it'll stay put. Kind of see how that works. Pretty simple. The handle, I got 5/8 round tubing. The square tubing is 3/4 inch. Little scrap I had, scrap too, but it was kind of nice because I had an adjustment nut already in there. That's kind of cool. This is actually a, a spoke tightener that I just welded onto the bolt. Made sure this was nice and strong. Little scrap metal there. And there you have it. I'm going to paint it up a little later on, but for now I just wanted to get that log home. So no way could I have gotten this home just huffing it. Took me about 1.5 hours to make the little log puller, and I'm glad I did. Now I could drag home some other nice pieces of wood. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Bye-bye.